In this video, I'm going to explain how to verify Zelle phone number. So in case you're enrolling in Zelle for the first time, what you have to do is first open up your banking app or Zelle app, and if your bank offers Zelle, you can access it through your mobile banking app. Otherwise, you can download and open the Zelle app. Now, after that, you will have to enter in your phone number. So when prompted, simply put in your mobile number you want to link to Zelle. And then what will happen is you'll receive a verification code. So Zelle will send a one-time code via your text messages or SMS to the entered mobile phone number. And then you want to enter in the code by simply typing in the code to confirm and verify your mobile phone number. After that, you can simply complete the setup. So you just have to follow any additional prompts to finish enrolling and the enrollment process. If you're having issues, I actually found this on their official website over here. As you can see, it says somebody is having a problem enrolling their US mobile number. So over here, as you can see, there are a few reasons why this could be happening. So the first reason is it's already enrolled with Zelle at a different bank or credit union. So in case that's happening, you may have forgotten you have already enrolled with Zelle at a different bank. Just check that and make sure you figure this out. The second thing is your phone number you provided is not a US mobile number because, of course, as it says over here, international numbers and landlines are not accepted. And then the third thing, the phone number you're enrolling with begins with 1-800, which means you can't enroll because 1-800 numbers are not eligible to enroll, sadly, as of right now. So that's pretty much it. In case you're having any further questions, down here, you can always check their support form and fill it out, or call them when they're open over here. As you can see, Monday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. to this number over here. They will pick up and then you can ask for support. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.